Jazmin, je bent altijd about here?
None of them says Brussels. So I'm just going to walk up and down until I find the one that says Brussels. Leuk dat het hier ligt. Lekker man, ja?
Ja, lekker.
Ja?
Zeker weten.
Welkom in Spain. So it's the first morning in Spain. We had a pretty good night last night, pretty good flight also. The mountains over there. We got to see over there, which is pretty cool. Now we're on our way to the mountains by train. I always love to take this route because it goes straight through a few other mountains and it's passing the sea. So it's really beautiful. Finally here, after like 3.5 hours in the train. 4 hours in the train, and it's snowing here, which is really great.
Jazmin en de moeder komen eraan.
And we're getting picked up by Henk's girlfriend and his mother-in-law, so it looks really beautiful out here. Or chestnuts, just the thing that grows on trees, they kind of roast it. They say it's a typical thing from here, so let's try that. Pretty good. Kind of dry. Spent 3 days in the mountains and it was awesome. I had a great time. Now it's time to pack my bags again, and me and Henk are going back by train to Vilanova where he lives. We spend the rest of the days there. We're gonna spend New Year's Eve there. Kind of made a mess of this room. Gotta clean it up, pack my stuff, get on the train, say goodbye. And today is also the 31st of December, so tonight at 12 o'clock, gonna have a big party. Well, not at 12, probably a little bit later. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Today is January 1st. Last night we had a great party. Henk and Jazmin, they got friends over. The girls from Colombia, the guys from Argentina, and I just learned that he was in mariachi in Mexico, like one of the originals. As you probably can hear, he's already playing. They're all talking in Spanish. I understand half of it. Half has to be translated for me, but there's beer, there's tequila. It's just a fun evening, and he's been playing now, so we're gonna check it out.
Descubrí que puede un beso ser más dulce y más profundo, que puedo irme mañana mismo de este mundo. Las cosas bellas ya contigo las viví, y contigo aprendí que yo nací el día en que te conocí.
Today is my last day. Tomorrow morning, real early, we have to get up to get back to Barcelona airport. But the good thing, today is like 22 degrees. The sun is fully shining and it feels like summer in Holland. So today we decided to go to the beach. Tonight we're gonna have a nice paella dinner somewhere in Vilanova here in the city. It will be very good to close off this first stop of my travel. Getting on the first train. Today it's time to go to Finland. Woo!